In this video, I will show you how to use an inkjet printer easily and quickly. For that, we need to prepare some materials such as an inkjet printer that has been filled with ink, HVS paper, a laptop or a computer, a power cable, USB cable, and the document or photo that we want to print. The steps are as follows. First, connect the printer to the power source and the laptop using the power cable and the USB cable. Second, turn on the printer and the laptop. Third, load the paper into the paper tray of the printer. Fourth, select or open the document that you want to print and edit if necessary. Fifth, select the file menu, then select print, or you can also press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. Sixth, select the printer that you use and adjust the print settings according to your needs. Seventh, press the print button to start printing your document. Eight, take the document that has been printed from your printer and check the result. It's very easy, right? I hope this video is useful for you all. See you in the next video.